So in this video, we're going to talk about compound data types. Rust has two basic compound data types. The first one that we're going to talk about is a tuple. So let's just say tuple is equal to I think it's one now. Tuple is equal to tuple. So this is how you write it. You put in brackets, there you can put some numbers in there. Okay, so that's a tuple, and the tuple has a fixed length. So in these cases, there are three different things stored in this tuple, and it cannot grow, so you cannot add anything to it. Another one that you have, another basic compound data type, is an array. This array, though, it's not really like an array in many other languages. You have to put the same type of data in an array. So let's say we're just getting a list of names here, like John, and then Doe, and then Ola, let's do Zoe. So this is an array of strings, or strs, as you call it, strs. And this one has a fixed, it's an array that has a fixed size. So let's try to print out some of the numbers here. Let's say we want to print out the number 3 here. That will be the second place there. So let's just do a print line here to see so that you can see how to access them. Okay, so we're going to say tuple number 2 is a placeholder, and then we're going to call it tuple dot 1. So when you do that, it's going to print out this is going to print out 3. And then let's try to print out the array so that you can see. So for the tuple, you use a dot notation to access the different values. However, for the array, it's going to be different. I'm just going to copy this one, make it a little bit faster here. So array number, let's do the fourth one here. Array number 4 is in this case is going to be array, array, and we're going to use the square brackets like that. We want the number 4, so it should be 3 here, and it should print out Zoe. And then we're going to save it and then see what it prints out. Let it compile here. Let's see what it prints out. So we should see Zoe here. As you see, tuple the number 2, 1 is 3, and in the array is Zoe. So these are the basic data types that we have in Rust, like in many other languages. So in the next videos coming up, we're going to talk about how you put your data together. We're going to talk about vectors. We're going to talk about hash maps. And then after that, we're going to go through control structures. So I hope this video was helpful. I just wanted to show you how tuples and arrays work. Remember that in the tuples, you can have different types of values there. So let's change this one to true, which makes it a Boolean. And then let's even put a string in there too, right? And then let's try to print the third one here, which is true. So we should see true tuple number 3. Oh, it is number 3. It's not 2. Let's do it. It should be able to run. So it should print out true and Zoe. So let's see what happens after I finish compiling here. At the very end, it says tuple number 3 is true. So as you can see, the tuple can contain different types of data. However, with the array, you can only put one type of data in there. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.